all natural, baby. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So basically I'm gonna be doing like a hair tutorial. This is like my first time doing this, so I don't know if it's like really a tutorial or me just trying it out. But I already prepped my hair. I ain't show that because this is not how to prep your hair for styles. This is how to do the style. So yeah, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Alright guys, to start off this hair tutorial, we're going to be making a U part on the top of my head. I used a little bit before the arch of my eyebrow as a guide to where I want to start my part. It's okay if your parts aren't completely straight, just try to get it as straight as you possibly can because most of this will get covered up anyway. Now we're going to make 3 parts inside of our U part. You want to make sure that your middle part is smaller than the rest of the parts because this is where your braid is going to go. And you also want the 2 outside parts to be identical to each other because it's supposed to be like symmetrical. Now I'm going to be taking my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel and putting it at the base of my part to make it much more sleek once my mom braids my hair because I can't cornrow. Now that we got the middle part out of the way, you want to take your 2 outside parts and make 3 parts on each side. And you kind of want to make sure that the parts line up together because it just makes it look much more neat. Again, I'm taking the same gel and I'm putting it at the base of my part to make it more sleek once I put my rubber band on. And you want to do this to all 3 sections. So now I have all my parts divided up and we're going to be taking this Palmer's coconut oil formula. It's basically just coconut oil in a jar. And we're going to be putting that on all the parts so it's not as frizzy. Twisting them together, and then I'm going to be adding the first part to the second part on the other side, if that makes any sense, once I twist it up. So like I said, I'm going to be adding the first part to the second part on the other side, and then I'm going to be adding the first part on the other side to the first part on this side to give it that crisscross effect. I really hope I'm making sense, but you guys really can just see it in the video. You want to make sure you stay on the same side. Like if you start on the left side and bring that twist over to the right, you want to do that with every section so the top twist can stay on the top and the bottom twist can stay on the bottom, so it looks much more neat, if that makes any sense. I hope so. As you can see, it looks like the corset at like the way it laces up. But now I'm just going to take my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel again and I'm going to slick the sides of my hair. You could either do a low or high bun. I was contemplating between the two, but I decided to go with the high bun. Now that I got my hair all slicked up into a ponytail, I'm making it as tight as possible, which I always regret because it always gives me headaches, but I love my ponytails to be tight. And then I'm going to pull it to give me more length and wrap it around like a bun. Now I'm just going to be adding the little finishing touches like slicking back my flyaways. I'm also going to be pulling out some curls on the side because I absolutely love the way that it looks. It just pulls the look together. It makes it look more cute and like just cute. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I already did my little edges or whatever. I gotta hurry up and make this outro fast because I gotta lay my hair and we gotta leave. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you're gonna do this hairstyle, tag me in the video, tag me in the picture on my Instagram. My Instagram is right here. My Snapchat is also right here. And if you do the video, just tag it in the comments and I'll go check it out. And make sure y'all guys tag me. You give me credit and whatever. So love you guys. Thank you guys so much for we're so close to 4,000 subscribers. Like I can smell it. Let's just take it in. But anyways, peace.